Get Rich Slow with John Wolf. Hey, today I just wanted to give you an update on what's going on with purchases, zero down programs, interest rates, and if it's a good time to do a purchase or a refinance. So before I get myself in trouble, here is my license information. I'm John Wolf. I'm licensed in Oregon and Washington. First of all, just really quick, here's what's going on in the bond market. And this bond market, although it's affecting some real things, is really not real. If you look in this, the bond price is going up, which means mortgage interest rates should be going down. That's not really real. It's not natural because that's not the free market doing that. The Federal Reserve is just buying these notes outright. So it leaves a lot of fear that as soon as the Federal Reserve stops doing that, which they will, interest rates are probably going to go up if the economy is good, and they're going to go up a lot. But what are they doing today? So let's look at a couple purchase programs. So here is the zero down program in Washington. And you see right here, you can get zero down loan for 3.25% interest. And this is, of course, the FHA version. That is a phenomenal deal for zero down. Honestly, this time last year, that would be a good deal for not zero down. That would actually be a good deal for 10% down, a pretty good deal, in fact. Here's one other program that has posted rates, and this is the Oregon VA. So if you're a veteran purchasing a home in Oregon, but this is not the national VA, it's actually a much better deal if you qualify because it has way lower fees, but their rate is 2.875. You can even buy it down to 2.625. That's crazy. And by the way, buying it down to 2.65 is still lower fees than if you got a normal VA loan, which is just astounding. Now, I can't do like live rate quotes for what I'm doing for clients, but I just wanted to give people an idea of how good they are. So yesterday, I locked a loan for a conventional 660 credit score with no points at 3.25%. That means if you have good credit and you're contacting me, that was 5% down, by the way, on a manufactured home, which is also more expensive. So that means if you're refinancing a normal home with me or purchasing a normal home with me, and you have even a 660 credit score, then you could expect to see less than 3.25%. If you have good credit and you're purchasing a normal home and you have 5% equity or 10% equity, you could expect decently lower than 3.25%. It's actually really funny. Right now, me and my operations are being crushed by success. And I just want to give you an idea of what that means. So like right now, I'm not supposed to lock refinances. And in fact, it's not really a great time to lock refinances right this second because rates are going down. What I'm being asked to do is collect all the documentation, get their file going, get it to underwriting, and then lock it. And the reason for that is we're actually being throttled for the amount of deals we can do a day because my company's operations is well above 100% capacity. And of course, I do work for Caliber Home Loans, and Caliber Home Loans is one of the 3 largest retail lenders and one of the 3 largest wholesale lenders. So this is not a small operation. Luckily, we haven't had a lot of the serious problems about being able to fund loans that a lot of other companies have, and that's because we have a different business model. But we can only push so much paper in a day, which is actually a really exciting problem to have. So anyways, if you want to reach out to me, I'm John Wolf, Oregon, Washington. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video. Share the good word. Have an awesome day. Bye.